are sick and tired of watching people dance on TikTok just to make a buck online, listen to us right now. Now, happy Freedom Friday, everyone. I'm finally back after a massive 3-day power outage tried to slow me down last week. But the power cut out. But you need to become an influencer. Post perfect videos. Go viral. Have thousands of followers. Or somehow magically become a completely different person. And honestly, I believe that lie is causing thousands of good people to give up on themselves before they even start. Today I want to talk about why so many people are overwhelmed online right now. Why so many people quietly feel not good enough. And why I believe ordinary people are still capable of building recurring income online without becoming celebrities, salespeople, or social media experts. Well, I actually find that a lot of social media experts are not great in doing our business because they want to sell. And in our business, there's no selling involved. Because after more than 10 years of building online myself, I realized something very important. The people who succeed long term are usually not the loudest people online. They are the people who stay consistent, build trust, connect with others, and learn step by step. So if you ever felt, I'm too old, I'm not technical, I don't have followers, I'm not confident enough, I could never do what others are doing online, then today's Freedom Friday is especially for you. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. It's so great to see you all here. Whether you are joining me live or watching the replay later, welcome. Please pop into the comments and let me know from where you are watching from. A special word of welcome to my regular viewers, Peter and Bella and Gloria, and all the ones that's attending live. I love your attendance. And if you are watching the replay, drop #replay so I can come back later and say hello to you. Now, for those who don't know me yet, my name is Lynette Badenhorst from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. For more than a decade, I've been helping ordinary South Africans learn how to build an asset-based business that can generate recurring income online in a simple, structured way. And today we are going to talk about something that I believe many people desperately need to hear right now. Because honestly, the online world has become noisy. People are overwhelmed and exhausted. They are comparing themselves to influencers and content creators online and quietly thinking, I can never do that. I'm too old. I'm not technical. And if that is you today, I want you to know something very important. You do not need to become somebody else to succeed online. You do not need to become an influencer. You do not need thousands of followers. You simply need consistency, belief, connection, and the willingness to learn step by step. And that is exactly why I am so excited to officially announce my brand new digital guide, the Asset-Based Business Blueprint, which is officially live. Yes. This guide was created specially for ordinary working professionals, business owners, entrepreneurs and everyday South Africans who want to understand how to build recurring income in a more sustainable way online. If you would like access to this free guide, simply comment the word asset and I will make sure you receive it directly. I will send the link directly to you. Now, today's topic is a very personal one for me because I spent years in PR and marketing. But honestly, nothing has ever given me the freedom and flexibility that an asset-based business model has given me. Today, I want to explain the difference between constantly chasing income every month and building an income-producing asset over time. Because there's a massive difference. You see, most people are still trapped inside what I call the active income cycle. Meaning, if they stop working, performing, or selling, the income stops instantly. Even if you are a doctor, if you stop seeing patients, the income stops. If you are a lawyer, if you don't see your clients, there's no income. If you are a teacher and you don't go to school every day and teach children, your income stops. But the internet has made this even worse because people now believe they must constantly dance, go viral and create endless content just to earn online. I know that because honestly, I also thought that was not me. When I first saw it, I looked at what was happening out there and I realized that dancing in front of a camera, making a fool out of myself, or lying in bed trying to convince people how easy it is to make money online, those things are things I simply don't do and I don't want to do it. It's just not for me. Now, it is perfectly okay for those who are comfortable doing it, but it does not suit my personality at all. And I know it doesn't suit many of you watching either. I don't want a circus, I want a real business online. A legitimate, solid business that I can be deeply proud of, and more importantly, a business that every single ordinary person in South Africa can actually do. But here's the truth nobody talks about. The internet convinced people they must become celebrities to earn online. And that is simply not true. You do not need a stage performance to build stability. And I think this is where many people quietly lose confidence. Meanwhile, the very thing that actually creates long-term success online is often not perfection. It is trust, consistency, connection, authenticity, and conversations. People connect with real people. Over the last while, I've been observing the online space very carefully. And like many people, I explored different platforms and methods. I even encouraged my team to test different social media strategies because I believe leaders should stay teachable. And yes, some people do well on platforms like TikTok. But I also started noticing that many ordinary people were becoming emotionally exhausted by trying so hard to become visible online without seeing sustainable results. That taught me an important lesson. There is a massive difference between being active and being productive. There is a difference between being busy online and building something sustainable. Not everybody wants to be an influencer, and honestly, they shouldn't have to. Ordinary people are completely capable of building meaningful, recurring income online without becoming somebody they are not. That is why I have shifted my own focus back to what I believe work best long term. Connection, community, conversations, normal conversations, trust, consistency, and systems. Not hype. I don't believe in hype. What if instead of constantly chasing sales every month, you focused on building an income producing system over time? That is the mind shift. That is what changed everything for me personally when I started looking at income as building an asset that can continue producing income over time. Now, please understand, as a matter of professional transparency, this is not a quick get-rich-quick scheme. Results are never guaranteed, and building recurring income takes consistency, effort, learning, and patience. But what is your view on success? My product was paid within my first month, and I have earned 10 times more than my compulsory product payment in that first month. Most businesses take 20 to 30 years to recover their input costs. And my entire business was paid in my first month. And I'm still earning from that 279 Rand product payment. I paid it towards a tax-free investment, so I'm saving money as well. I'm saving and earning. And I'm now earning for 123 months in a row. For me, that was what I was aiming for. But it did not happen by chance. I worked to achieve it, and I had to do what I can do. And I believe if I can do it, so can you. I never tell people to do something that I'm not willing to do myself. The fact is that ordinary people are far more capable than they think. Many people do not fail because they are incapable. They fail because they became intimidated, overwhelmed, and discouraged. Success online is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming more consistent, more courageous, more teachable, and more patient. You do not need to know everything before you begin. You learn step by step. I did. I am a real example of what you can do online if you are serious about changing your financial future. I am 73 years old. When I started this journey, I didn't even know how to open a Facebook account. My friend did it for me. My children are living abroad and far away, and many of my peers are unfortunately either deceased or living with their children. But I refused to be in a position of dependency. I needed a way to get my message about the business out to people. And I realized that social media has millions of South Africans browsing online every single day. And they are looking for the solution to their biggest problem, earning an income. I realized that I have the exact solution right here in my hand. I don't need to be a tech genius. I just need to share it with them. To share my message successfully, I just needed to go online and start real conversations with real people. Our job is simply to share information about the system that has been operating successfully for more than 10 years and has helped thousands of South Africans create a true recurring income. How many other companies out there can truly claim that they have operated for 123 months in a row, paying every single cent exactly as promised over the entire period? A system that is fully licensed right here in South Africa and actually owns a legal FSP number, Financial Service Provider number. Let me tell you why I am so excited today. I'm doing things online right now that I never thought were possible for me. Remember, in my own admission, I'm technically disadvantaged. But this week, with the help of AI, I built a fully functional marketing funnel using completely free tools. And it is actively working and gathering leads right now. Most of these amazing AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude have completely free versions. So, I don't have money or I don't know technology is simply no longer an excuse for anybody. If I can do it, so can you. Yes, I know there are lots of people who are selling online courses on how to build an income online. And if you have money, go for it. But in my view, South Africans simply cannot afford to pay with rands for dollar products, and most of them are just selling it to make money for themselves, which is fair. That's why they are doing it. And it's never about you. I often sit at my desk and I wonder, why am I different from other people? When I put my mind to something, I try and I try and I try again until I succeed. And I ask myself, how can I convince people that they too have it within them to create a better future for themselves, just like I did? I mean, let's be brutally honest today. I was in a serious financial trouble myself, but I managed to find and use a legal license system that allowed me to earn a consecutive monthly income for the past 123 months in a row. Why can people not see it the same way I see it? This system is a lifeline that is thrown your way, and you must grab onto it with both hands and hang on it to save yourself financially. That's what I did. The problem is simply that we don't believe we are capable, or we think working online is some sort of a scam instead of a real legal way to build a reliable income. Well, I would never be where I am today if I hadn't started learning how to use social media. Everybody told me it was never going to work. This is a belly-to-belly business. Guess what? I've surely proved them all wrong. If I had listened to the skeptics, I would be in a very desperate financial position today. It all boils down to believing in yourself, believing in others, and believing in a registered, licensed, and approved system running for over a decade. When I started online, I knew nothing, but I learned, I adjusted, and I evolved. The online world keeps changing, and the good leader stays teachable. Do not become emotionally attached to one method. Stay adaptable, stay teachable, and stay connected. At the end of the day, people join people they trust, not celebrity influencers. You are not disqualified because you are ordinary. Ordinary people like me build extraordinary things every single day through consistency. And that is the biggest reason I created the asset-based business blueprint. I wanted to simplify this entire concept for ordinary people who simply want more breathing room, less financial stress, and more control over their future. So again, if you would like access to the guide, simply comment asset below and I will send it to you. But before we wrap up today, remember, you do not need thousands of followers, perfect videos, or to become somebody else. You simply need to start, learn, grow, adjust, and stay consistent. One decision can change your direction. Thank you so much for spending your Freedom Friday with me today. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Feel free to like, follow, share, or tag somebody who needs to hear this message today. Also remember to visit my blog, LynetteBardners.com/blogs. I spell my name, LINNETTEBADENHORST.com/blogs. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery, please go and subscribe and tap the bell so that you never miss our future training. There's a lot of information on my website as well as on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment asset below if you want my free digital guide. Until next Freedom Friday, stay encouraged, stay teachable, stay consistent. And remember, you do not need to become somebody else to succeed online. Bye for now.